All right, guys, once we've confirmed that sessions are in fact firing and the script tag was correctly installed, let's get started with the Slack integration. It's very easy. Let's go to settings. We go to Slack. We get started. Make sure you select the right workspace. Make sure you find the channel that you want to add. I just created this channel called Warmly Notifications Allen Test. And let's type in Warmly Notifications Allen Test, allow, and that's the Slack notification. So here is where we could start to send Slack notifications when your website visitors do the following actions. Let's say they start a session. Here's an example. And we don't have to do anything for now. No segments yet. We just want to make sure this is working. So if anybody lands on Warmly Notifications Allen, sorry, if anyone lands on our website, then we send a notification to the Slack channel. So if I go to warmly.ai, I'm scrolling around here. Scroll. There it is. Someone from Gaithersburg, Maryland is on your site.